Hello there, and welcome to the world where mistakes are always rewarded because we expect them, respect them, inspect them, and at last we correct them too. So here we are with one more video to understand how to draw irrational number on a number line. But before that, we have to understand it. We need to draw such a triangle on that number line whose hypotenuse will be equal to the expected irrational number. So over here we are going to draw root 2. For that, we will consider triangle OAB as a right angle triangle where hypotenuse OB must equal to root 2. Then according to Pythagoras theorem, we should take OA and AB in such a way that when we put in the formula, we can get the value of hypotenuse equals to root 2. So for that, very first thing hint is we need to take the value of OA and AB less than 2 because only then we can get the expected result. Correct or not? Yes. So which are the numbers less than 2? Presently over here, counting numbers especially, they are nothing but the 1 because only one number is remaining. So let's consider OA and AB equals to 1 unit for the particular way, so that we can get the hypotenuse equal to 2. So over here, according to the formula, we have to square the sides. Correct? The 1 square is 1, and when we add those two sides after squaring them, we get the result 2. And as we require hypotenuse OB square equal to 2, when we shift that square to the next side of the equality, we get the value root 2, and that's what we needed. Correct or not? Yes. So it is only possible when we take OA and AB equals to 1 unit. So let's try to draw it on a number line now. Very first, take a ruler, take a 1 unit distance on the number line. That 1 unit nothing but the 3 centimeter. You can choose any distance according to your need and whatever you feel convenient to you. So presently over here I have chosen 3 centimeter equals to 1 unit. So after plotting point A on a number line, we need to use protractor to draw a perpendicular line at point A. For that purpose, keep the protractor in such a way that the baseline of the protractor will overlap the number line and the central point will overlap point A. After that, mark the 90 degree with the help of protractor and draw line AB that will be perpendicular to number line at point A, and do not forget to give 90 degree sign. Once the perpendicular line is drawn, then we have to plot point B on that perpendicular line at a distance of 3 centimeter, that is 1 unit, the way it is shown in the diagram, and then join OB, which will act as a hypotenuse for that right angle triangle OAB. Now we can say in right angle triangle OAB, OA is 1 unit and AB is also 1 unit, and as per Pythagoras theorem, when we do the working on it, we can say length of OB is nothing but root 2. Now take a compass, keep a metal tip, don't forget, keep a metal tip on point O. I repeat, metal tip on point O, and pencil tip on point B, and then draw an arc which will intersect number line the way it is shown and name it as a point D. And this point D is nothing but will represent root 2 on the number line. I hope I made very clear to you. Forget this root 2 is only possible when we have chosen OA and AB both equals to 1 unit. Without that, it won't be possible. And don't forget to write the final statement that which point is indicating the root 2 distance on number line the way it is shown in the answer. Now what if I need to draw negative root 2 on a number line? For that purpose, little bit increase the distance of number line, and then instead of drawing the arc on the right side, draw it on the left side the way it is shown and name the point as point E, and that point E is nothing but showing the distance negative root 2. If I want to draw positive root 2, then we'll go towards the right side of the 0, and if you need to draw negative root 2, we'll go towards the left side of the 0 and name it as minus root 2 the way it is shown in the diagram. Boys and girls, always keep it in mind, in maths world, mistakes are expected, respected, inspected and corrected.